Welcome to training presentation for Standard 6. This is a very short module and it's quite likely going to be complemented by more detailed modules in the near future. My name is Roman Polichenko. I am Assurance Manager at SBP, so I will give you a first glimpse, a short guide through the Standard 6 version 2. In this session, we'll give you a very quick overview of the Standard 6, its purpose and content. Standard 6 doesn't work alone and requires using supplementary instruction documents, which would include the detailed methodologies for the greenhouse gas emission calculations. Objectives here is to give you a brief introduction to the concept and prepare the ground for further technical trainings. So let's check it out. SBP Standard 6 sets out the principles and criteria for the calculation of energy and carbon balances resulting from the harvesting, production and transport of biomass, including the evaluation of greenhouse gas savings of biomass supply chains. In short, Standard 6 is about actual greenhouse gas emissions calculations. It relies on the use of data collected by the organization along the supply chains as required by Standard 5. If you haven't yet checked the module on Standard 5, please do it before checking this presentation. All requirements of the Standard 6 fit on just one page. It basically says that all calculations shall be supported by documented evidence and that greenhouse gas calculations shall be done by using relevant SBP instruction documents. In this relevant SBP instruction documents, we provide the specific detailed methodology on how to do the calculation and how to certify it. The only thing that I would like to show you at this moment is the greenhouse gas emissions calculation formula. We can see here that the total emissions include emissions from the fuel production, processing, transportation, and use. There are also such elements like emission savings from soil carbon accumulation via improved agricultural management or emission savings from CO2 capture and geological storage. On the right, we see a second main formula for calculation of emission savings from using sustainable biomass compared to the use of fossil fuels. So the point is to compare it and to demonstrate achieving a certain threshold in emission saving. As we just learned, Standard 6 alone cannot be used for certification. ID 6D is one of the available instruction documents to actually apply Standard 6. Instruction document 6D is optional within the SBP framework, but it is mandatory to certificate holders that need to perform a greenhouse gas savings calculation for the RED 2 and who want to get it certified. This document is normative for the certification of that calculation by the SBP accredited certification body. It describes the principles and methodology for certificate holders to make the calculation and requirements for the certification body to audit and certify it. We are planning to develop a detailed training module focused on this ID6D in the near future, as there will be hopefully more demand for this type of certification. Well done. Thank you for watching this module. You have completed the main SBP training program for Standards version 2. Don't forget to also check separate modules on DTS and Audit Portal. Also check, as I told before, our website, check user guides, check guidance documents, and stay tuned for additional trainings on different topics where we will go into more details.